Hi students, we continue now with question number 11. It is Necta 2021 Basic Mathematics from 4. So we're supposed to prepare a frequency distribution table with 8, the number of classes is 8, size of the class is 8. So basically, we are going to start, as we have been told, we are going to start with 32. So 32 to 39, if you calculate the class size here, you are going to get actually a class size equals to 8. So it is 32, 39, 40, 47, 48 to 55, and so forth. And if you count the numbers, you're going to find that between 32 and 39, we have 4 numbers. It continues like that. So we are going to find the mean value of this interval. So you take 32 plus 39 divided by 2, you get 35.5. 40 minus 40 to 47, so 40 plus 47 divided by 2, you get 43.5, and so forth, the last value. So that is actually the frequency distribution table, but now we are going to use the table to find the actual mean when assumed mean is 83.5. So because we have assumed the mean is 83.5, you have to know the deviation. Actually, the deviation is xc minus assumed mean. But xc here, we are talking of this x here, actually, okay? So we can even call this one here interval. We can call this here interval to avoid confusion. So if that is the case, then now the deviation is xc minus assumed mean. So you are going to take here 83, you're going to take actually 35.5 minus 83.5. So when you find the difference, you're going to get negative actually. 0, 13 minus 5, you get 8. Okay, and you have 7 minus here, you get 4. 4 here is going to be 48, negative 48. Here you find the difference. You're going to get negative. So you have 83.5, you have 43.5. You find the difference. You have 0, 0, 2, 4. So negative 40. And then negative 30, I'm sorry. You are going to take 83.5 minus 51.5. So you have 0, 2, 8 minus here, 2. So you have negative 32. So you can see the difference actually is always 8. So I can just reduce 8 here to be negative 24. Negative 16. Then you have negative 8. Then you have 0. Then you have positive 8. So that is the deviation D, dear students. Then we are going to find the product of frequency and deviation. So you have 4 times negative 48 is 32. 4 times 4, 16, 19, negative 192. Then you have 13 times negative 40. So you have minus, actually minus 520. Then you have 8 times 32, you get 8 times 2, 16, 24, 25, negative. You have 6 times 24, you get, okay, 24. negative 144. Then you have you have 60 times 16. 60 times 16, you get negative 96 minus 96. You have 2 times 8, have negative 16. Then you have 0, then you have 8. So now we are going to check summation of FD equals to how much? So you are going to add 192, 520, 256, 144, 96, 16, and positive 8. So you get to 1,000 negative 1,216. Okay, then what we're going to do here now, we're going to use the formula. The formula is mean, you take assume the mean plus summation of FD over N. So you have 83.5 plus negative 1216 divided by 40. When you divide by 40, so you have 83.5 minus 30.4. 83.5 minus 30.4. So you're going to get actually mean equals to 53.1. Mean, dear students, equals to 53.1. Okay, we are going to continue. The second part, calculate the difference between the actual mean and the median of this distribution, hence comment on the difference obtained. So the actual mean and the median. So we have to find the median actually. But before we go there, let us fill this column here of cumulative frequency. So you have 4, you have 17, 25, 31, then 37, 39, 14. So we're going to find now median. How are we going to get a median? Let us see. So median, dear students, we know that first of all, we have to check the class with n divided by 2, and that is 50. Sorry, it is 40. So it is 40. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. So median class is going to be 48 to 55. 48 to 55. Median class will be 48 to 55. So we can say that L is 48. Sorry, the lower limit. So it will be 47.5. And B and B will be 17. And within the frequency of the median class is going to be 8. So basically median, you take L plus N over 2 minus NB divided by N within, multiply by class size. So median will be equal to L is 47.5 plus 20 minus 17 over 8 multiply by 8. So 47.5 plus 20 minus 17, 3 times 8 divided by 8. Obviously, you're going to get 3. 7.5. When you add, you're going to get 50.5. So we get 50.5. So now the difference between median and mean. So we're going to find now the difference as required. The difference between mean and median. So mean minus median, this is equal to 53.1 minus 50.5. The difference is 53.1 minus 50.5, get 2.6. So we're supposed to comment now, calculate the difference. We have already calculated the difference. And now we're supposed to comment on the difference obtained. So the difference, because is not greater than the class size, actually the mean and median, all these are central values and they are found in the same class given. So we can say that since the difference, the difference is less than 8, which is the class size, then mean and median in the same class, and they reflect actually the concept of the central values. Actually, mean and median, they are all central values, dear students. So that is the end of the question number 11. Hopefully you got the concept and how we solve these kind of questions. Thank you.